Hello, everybody. My name is David Carvalho. I'm the CEO and founder of Naoris Protocol. At Naoris Protocol, our objective is to protect the digital world from cyber risk and attack using completely nascent technologies such as blockchain consensus mechanisms and also distributed artificial intelligence. We are fortunate to be backed by academia and also the former key leadership of NATO in order to create the world's first decentralized cybersecurity mesh. All these accelerators that you see on the bottom of the screen are actually accelerators that we were winners of in the last 2.5 years. We're very proud to have participated in them. We have the objective of leveraging every device in the world and bringing it together into what we call a decentralized cybersecurity mesh to protect every other device in existence. And to do that, we brought into our leadership the former CTO of IBM, David Holtzman, and creator of the DNS system that we all use every day in the internet, together with some of the best hackers in the world in our advisory board, and the leaders of a number of cyber commands in Europe. So currently we face a $10 trillion damage issue from a perspective of cyber damages globally. If you think how much that is, that's actually more than all the dollars owned by all non-US countries in the world. That's around 7% of the world's GDP. This is a massive issue that needs absolutely different approaches to actually solve these problems that have to be very transformational and break with the traditional approaches. So the world is made of Web 2 technology. Web 2 is basically 99.9% of the world right now. Everything from critical infrastructure to defense to banking to your phones in your pockets, it's Web 2. So there are centralized systems quite vulnerable to attack, to tampering, and to other sorts of subversion. And our objective is to basically transform these devices with our Web3 decentralized proof of security technology, consensus mechanism, and make them basically central points of assurance and trust instead of points of failure. So the more a network grows these days, the more vulnerable it is. So every device is a point of failure towards the network it lives in. And in Naoris Protocol, we make every device, be it a drone, a tank, a server, a phone, whatever it might be, into a point of resilience that protects every other device. We bring Web3 to Web 2. We bring trust to trustless environments. Here on this demo, you can see the distributed command and control ecosystem, where every device is actually connected in what we call a distributed cybersecurity mesh. In this example, a robotic arm in another continent is being attacked by a nation state. The threat has been detected by all the other devices that are across different networks in different countries. That threat is identified, and all the others together actually prevent that attack from happening and from spreading by isolating that device. That data goes into an immutable ledger on our blockchain using our distributed consensus algorithm called DepoSec. And our Swarm AI, distributed artificial intelligence that we have created together with academia, identifies this threat, isolates it, and lets all the other devices across different networks learn from it and get better. This is a completely revolutionary concept. We make networks stronger as they grow, not weaker. Thank you very much.